If your Shopify store isn't making sales, it's not your product, it's not your ads, and it's definitely not the algorithm. It's one mistake almost every store owner makes. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Most people never recover after this. Shopify sellers are told the same lie over and over. Just run ads. Just find a better product. Just copy a winning store. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Ads don't create demand, products don't create trust, and copying stores doesn't create belief. The mistake happens before the ad, before the product, before the theme. The one mistake that kills Shopify stores is this: they make customers think. The moment a visitor has to figure something out, they leave. Your customer is not stupid, they're tired of scams, tired of fake reviews, tired of guessing. When someone lands on your store, their brain asks one question in under 3 seconds: is this for me, and can I trust it? If the answer isn't instant, your store is already dead. Here's how this mistake shows up. Your headline talks about features, not outcomes. Your product images don't explain anything. Your page scrolls forever with no direction. Your offer is hidden instead of obvious. Your store looks nice but feels empty. Nice looking stores fail every day. Clear stores make money. Here's what nobody tells you. People don't buy when they're convinced. They buy when they feel safe. Safety comes from clarity, simplicity, repetition. If your store explains too much, it explains nothing. If you want sales fast, sometimes within 48 hours, do this. Reduce your entire store to one sentence. This product helps you get this result without this pain. Then force your entire page to support that sentence, and if something doesn't support it, delete it. When clarity increases, bounce rate drops, time on page increases. Shopify trusts your store. Ads suddenly start working. Nothing magical happened. You just stop confusing people. Most Shopify stores don't fail slowly. They fail quietly. Owners blame ads, like suppliers, and the economy, when the real problem was always the same. They made buying feel like work. If you want, I can break down exactly how to fix this on any Shopify store step by step. Like the video, subscribe, and comment fix. Oh, I'll show you.